What's up, guys? It's the morning. I just finished up editing. I didn't just wake up right now, but I'm going to shower. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna take you guys on to the day. I don't really have anything planned for today, but I'm just gonna bring you guys along. So I'll see you guys after the shower, I guess. So I'm all freshened up. I just took a shower, got ready. My hair's not really cooperating, but that doesn't really matter. I'm gonna make breakfast. I can't really do anything crazy because we got stuff to do. So I'm just gonna get some cereal if we have clean dishes. Oh, you guys are gonna have to move real quick. So we're gonna get a bowl of cereal going. Nothing crazy again. Cinnamon light cereal. Let's grab a fork. What? I don't use no fork. So I gotta finish up on some editing. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna jump back to you guys. Alright, I think I'm gonna start doing this more. What I got on top is an H&M shirt, $7. And yes, I know this is wrinkly, so don't even say nothing about it. What I got on the bottom are some Paxton shorts, probably like $20, $30. And what I got on my feet, I got white slip-on Vans, $50. To be honest, there's nothing really I have to do today, but I just want to get out of the house before it starts raining because it said it's going to start raining. It's going to rain from like, I don't know, 2 to 5, and then after that, it's supposed to be nice outside. I'm planning on doing something fun later, and I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to see my girl today, but right now, let's just get out the house and let's go do something. This is like 10 minutes later. But anyway, I was sitting down and I was trying to think, because yeah, I'm going to go see my girl, and we have plans for later, and we know what we're going to do. But there's like an hour, like 2 hours that we don't know what we're going to do. So I was thinking I'm going to surprise her with a picnic or something. So I'm going to grab my picnic stuff. I'm going to go get some food for her for the picnic because, you know, I don't really want to chef something up, even though that's probably better. But I know something that she will like 100% better than if I made something. But yeah, so I'm thinking we should dig to the fridge and see what we got. And if we don't really have the stuff that I want to make, then we'll go to Cub and we'll go get some stuff. But for now, I'm going to stay home and I'm going to get the stuff ready and then we'll go. But yeah, I just want to surprise my girl because I haven't really seen her in a while and it's National Girlfriend's Day. So, gotta surprise the girl and do something nice for her. So let's go. So, I don't really know what's in here, to be honest, but I know that this is a picnic set. Now, I'm going to dig around in the fridge and see what we got in there. And then probably after that, we're gonna go to the store anyway. Let's look at my fridge, see if there's something. Alright, so I got some idea of what I want to like put in here. Some strawberries, so we're going to put some of that in there. I don't really think we need to get much from the store. I honestly don't think there's anything I need to get from the store besides the drink. I guess let's just go to the car. Let's leave. Come on. So most of our plans later are for outside, so I gotta check the weather and see if it's actually gonna hold up. Alright, I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. Yeah, we're good. So, bro, y'all know the struggle when you're trying to close apps and you accidentally close your music app? That's the worst. If you guys don't got a little candy stash in your car, I don't know what you're doing, bro. So we just pulled up to the spot right now. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna get a couple things. What happened, but some of the footage from in there didn't record, so I walked over to the candy because I know this Lunds and Byerly's always has like a fat ass selection of candy, but they didn't have my sweet tarts. Like I wanted sweet tarts and they didn't have it, so I'm just gonna go to the Cub. But right now I'm gonna go get my girl some food. I'm just gonna look at the menu real quick. Can I get the California roll, but instead of avocado, can I sub it for cream cheese? Since Lunds and Byerly's didn't have those the sweet tarts, the candies that I wanted, we're gonna go to Cub and then we're gonna go to my house and we're gonna get the picnic ready, and then I think I'm just gonna edit for a little bit. so my plan kind of fell through because, I mean, just look. It's just not the best weather to be eating outside. So we're just gonna eat in my car. But we were gonna go to the Stone Arch Bridge and take some pictures. But like I said, so this might be like a 2-day vlog type thing. We're gonna go to the movies. I got a little outfit change. For bottoms, I changed from the PacSun shorts. And what I just put on now are jogger khakis from PacSun. They were about like 55 or something. Alright, since we can't have a little picnic, I set up the car. I put a blanket in the back and I put some pillows in the back. Honestly, probably after we eat or after I pick her up is probably the last time you guys are gonna see me today.
Where's my phone?
We're outside, I don't know, we're at a park something. We're at a picnic table. We're not really picnic like I wanted to earlier, but we're picnicking.
What's the peanut butter for? Oh, ants on a log. I want this one. Did you go to Osaka?
Now she's finally letting me record. Before she didn't let me record.
Yeah, but now I got some food. I'm feeling good.
Are you happy that you got sushi?
Yeah,
or something else?
Have a fork or chopsticks or a napkin.
I kind of left the chopsticks in the fridge where I put everything else.
So now you just got a pair of chopsticks in the fridge?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's salty. Ew! Ew, yes, ew!
Show them what's up, babe.
Ooh! I got my nails done.